With all the things that are expected of you as a writer, writing, business, marketing, and everything in between, it can be really easy to lose perspective of where you are on the road. I want to offer you a tip that has been very helpful for me to reflect back on where I've been. But before that, my name is Michael Laurent with Author Level Up, helping you write world-class stories better and faster. And I make these videos because I believe that each of you has lead child inner talent and you just need help unlocking it. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell to get notifications every time I have a new video. So one of the things that I always find myself surprised by is just how far I've come in just a short amount of time. And I think it can be really easy in the writing life to move at a breakneck pace to the point where you just kind of forget where you've been. And I like to take the time to reflect on where I've been every few months or so. And one of the little tricks, it's a little game I play with myself, is every time I'm at the dentist, I know it sounds a little weird, but I get my teeth cleaned twice a year. So we'll say January and June. And every time I'm at the dentist, inevitably you have to wait a few minutes. Usually when the hygienist cleans your teeth, then you got to wait a few minutes for the dentist to come in. And I sit in that chair and I just think about where I was in my writing career 6 months ago. What was I working on? What was I feeling? What were some of the challenges I was experiencing? And now where I am, how did I get over those things? What am I working on now? And what I usually find is I have a lot to be proud of. There's a lot that I get accomplished in that 6 months. And it's just a moment in that 5 minutes that I'm just waiting for the dentist to come in. It just makes all the difference in the world in terms of helping me express gratitude and celebrate some of those little victories that maybe I didn't think about. So I encourage you to do that. It doesn't have to be the dentist office, but what are some places that you go all the time, almost like clockwork? And when you're waiting and you got a little bit of downtime, think about where you were the last time you were there. What were you doing? What were you struggling with? What were you experiencing? How were you feeling? And I'll tell you, it'll do wonders for how you see where you are on the road. It gives you an amazing perspective. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Perfect.